Hey, you may remember me doing some videos maybe a year or so back in the Isles of Bella Vita. That was such a popular community. They sold like 150 homes in just about 12 to 18 months. Well, now I'm in the brand new section called Trieste at Bella Vita, which is built by another builder called Ashton Woods. And they got some pretty awesome homes with some very nice features, and we're about to check them out right now. Hey, welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Nick, and on this channel I talk about things to do here in Myrtle Beach. I give tips and advice about the area, and I'm a real estate agent, so of course I talk about the real estate. So if you are thinking about relocating to the area, then be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and tap the little notification bell while you're at it. This way you could be the first to know about what's going on here in Myrtle Beach. I get calls every single day from people just like you who are moving to the area, so if you ever have any questions, or if I can help you find a home here at the beach, then I would love to chat with you. You can use the first link down in the description to schedule a call with me. So we're gonna get into touring the model homes and this community. Definitely stick around for the end because we're gonna be checking out this home that I'm in right now. 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, just under 2,800 heated square feet. Huge vaulted ceilings that make the space feel absolutely enormous. But first, we're gonna go check out the smaller model home. Okay, so we're gonna start off with a quick loop around this neighborhood. This way you can get a feel for what this neighborhood is like. The HOA dues here are $92 a month. It does include use of that pool there that you're seeing. And it also includes your trash pickup and then of course, all of the maintenance of the common area. So not your specific lawn, but they'll take care of like the entranceway and all of that stuff. Again, you can get a home in here for between $350,000 on the low end for their smallest homes, around 1,600 square feet, to just under 500,000, around 480 to 490,000 for their bigger homes, around 2,800 square feet. They're selling 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, and 5-bedroom homes in this community. The builder is Ashton Woods. And again, this is Trieste at Bella Vita. So it's an addition to the Bella Vita community. Each of the Bella Vita sections are their own communities. So they have separate HOAs, separate amenities. So the amenities here are just for the Ashton Woods homes here that are currently being built. So we'll do a quick loop around this neighborhood. We're going to check out this 2-story home here on the right, the blue one that we just passed by. But you can see, build a nice, appealing home, in my opinion. A lot of these homes have nice, big front porches. They have nice features on the inside. You'll see that when we walk through the homes. And overall, I'm pretty impressed by what they're doing here in this neighborhood. Okay, so we're outside of their model home here, which is called their Truman Model. We're about to walk in the front door right now. This is a 3-bedroom home with an office. As you can see, you have a nice entryway, big hallway when you first walk into the home. And then right up front here, you do have the first bedroom. So this overlooks the front of the home. This specific elevation here does have a nice front porch that you're overlooking, standard closet there. Now, because this is the model home, the bathroom here is set up as like a public bathroom. Obviously, this is not what it's going to look like when you are moving into your home here. But then followed by that bedroom, you do have a nice spacious office. No closet in here, so it can be utilized as a bedroom, but technically it's not, but it's very spacious. And then across from here, you do have your laundry room. Nice little coat closet. Your entrance out into the garage, and then your second bedroom. So what's nice about this is the bedrooms are separated from each other. And then as we continue down the hallway, it does open up into the living and kitchen area. So nice and spacious, lots of cabinets and counter space. This is a gas community, so you do have the gas oven and stove here. This model does have the nice corner pantry. And then lots of windows in this model, which is something that people really like. So 3 big windows here, another one in the corner on the other side of the fireplace, and 3 looking out the back. So what I like about this too is it's nice and spread out and spacious. Some people don't like to have the table right in front of the kitchen island, but in this specific model, it's very spacious. It's not cramped at all. And then obviously you have this nice living room space as well. And then a nice covered porch out the back here. The model home is of course situated on a nice pond lot. So you have a great view. And then another nice feature with this home is the primary bedroom entrance is close to the kitchen here. So a lot of people don't like it to be right off the main living space where everybody's hanging out. It's kind of tucked away over here, little hallway entrance, and then big primary bedroom with your bathroom, tile shower, huge double sink, vanity, tons of extra space, toilet room, and then check out this closet here. Absolutely massive. So Ashton Woods is building some very nice homes. They have some really nice color packages. That's what's nice about this spec home builder is some of the other spec home builders, they have maybe 3 different color packages. So a lot of the homes look the same. Ashton Woods has 9 different color packages. So different counters, different cabinet colors, different backsplashes, and floor colors. This way, your home does not look exactly the same as your neighbors. So they do a really good job with that. I'm very impressed with the fit and finish in this neighborhood as well. They do a very good job. They have a bunch of different floor plans to choose from, 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, and 5-bedroom homes. On the lowest end, you can get into this community for about $350,000. And on the highest end, for their biggest homes, you can get into this community for just under $500,000, maybe about $480 to $490 or so. Again, this is the Truman floor plan, one of their most popular single level 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom homes. I'm also going to take you through their 4-bedroom Harrison model, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. That is their most popular 2-story model. So we're going to go check that out right now. Okay, so as promised, we're now in this big 2-story, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom Harrison model. So I'm going to flip this camera around for you so you can see this nice, big, open living area. We'll get to that other end here in a second, all the windows and the super high vaulted ceiling. But up here by the front door, you do have a huge office that overlooks the front of the home. I always like that for an office, so you can look out and check out your front yard while you're doing work. There's your little half bathroom powder room there. You do have a linen closet here on the first floor as well. And then again, we open up into this big living area. So here's the entrance out to your 2-car garage, your laundry room here on the first level, and then a little storage closet here as well. Don't worry, that's not the pantry. There is a massive pantry there in the corner. So this one does have the gourmet kitchen package. So you have the separate 5-burner gas stovetop there, the wall-mounted oven and microwave. Again, solid surface countertops. Here is that huge pantry. It'd be hard for me to personally fill that up. You got your dining area here. Again, nice and spacious. Tons of storage underneath the stairs here. It just keeps going. And then you got this beautiful living room with 2-story ceiling height, tons of windows up top and down below, letting in all of the natural light. This one does have a fireplace in here as well. And then a big covered patio that can be screened in there in the back. On the first level here, you do have your primary, but not before we check out yet another closet. So tons of storage in this home here. And then this primary suite is absolutely massive. So I know a lot of people out there, they like having the huge primary suite, and this one will definitely do it for you. Another very big double sink vanity. You have the tile shower. Does have the fiberglass insert on the floor, but tile walls. Another very big closet in this home. Around the corner here, you do have your toilet closet, as well as another linen closet. So there's definitely not a lack of storage in this home here. And then we'll go check out the upstairs. So the first thing that you're gonna have when you get to the top of the stairs here is a big loft area that is going to overlook that big area, living area down below. So I think that's a really nice feature. It's a good sized loft area. And again, just tons of natural light coming into this home with all of these windows. Then upstairs, you're gonna have the rest of your bedrooms. And this is a big home, almost 2,800 heated square feet. So the bedrooms are a good size. This one does have its own full bathroom ensuite here and a little closet. And then as we continue down the hall here, you're going to have your next full bathroom. These next two bedrooms do share. So bedroom number 2, yet another closet, and bedroom number 3, which this one here in the front of the home is definitely the biggest of the 3 bedrooms up here. Big walk-in closet in this one as well. So that's going to do it for this tour here at Trieste at Bella Vita, again being built by Ashton Woods. If you have any questions, definitely let me know down in the comments below, or reach out for your more in-depth questions. If you're ready to find your home here at the beach, you can always use the first link down in the description to schedule a call with me. I'm looking forward to speaking with you. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.